I'm going to disassemble and put back together this Zyac folding ring knife. Just need two tools for this. I have T6 bit, and also on this tool I have a little 5mm wrench. So let's go ahead and take off this little spike. This was actually a little bit loose, so I'm going to put some Loctite on that. So let's go ahead and take off these pivots. This is the pivot for the blade. And let's see here. Now, yes, the knife is free, the blade is free. I think it is. Okay. Just a tiny little blade. And we have two pieces here. Two little screws. Taking off these screws. I have this part off. We have some little ball detents. Just about all disassembled. All the parts, screws, the little spike. Okay, let's go ahead and put it all back together. I am going to be using a little bit of the blue Loctite for this. Okay, let's go ahead and put the blade back on. A little bit of Loctite on there. All the screws are the same, so it makes it pretty easy. There we go. Okay, feeling pretty good. Gonna snug up the rest. And now, gonna make sure that this little spike, I really should get some of the glue stick style Loctite, but don't have any of that yet. And there we go. Using the Zyac Crit. It's a cool little multi-tool. Also has a blade on the other side. Okay. So, I need to clean it up a little bit, but there it is. All put back together, and it's a cool little knife.